Enabling two-factor authentication to FA on your Interactive Brokers account adds an extra layer of security to protect your financial information. Follow these steps to set it up. Step 1. Log into your account. Access the Interactive Brokers website and log into your account using your username and password. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SROG to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 3. Find two-factor authentication option. Look for the option labeled two-factor authentication or 2FA. Click on this option to begin the setup process. Step 4. Choose your 2FA method. Select your preferred method for receiving the authentication code. This may include options like SMS, email, or an authenticator app. Follow the prompts to set up your chosen method. Step 5. Confirm and save changes. After setting up your 2FA method, you may be required to enter a verification code to confirm the setup. Once confirmed, save your changes to activate two-factor authentication. By following these steps, you can enhance the security of your Interactive Brokers account with two-factor authentication. Always remember to keep your authentication method secure and up to date.